Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the official unboxing of the Magic Mouse 2. Without further ado, let us start the video. So for this unboxing video, I did purchase the Magic Mouse 2 for about £65 from Amazon. I believe the Apple website still does do these peripherals. You may wish to purchase from either brands via Amazon or Apple. You will get the same product for a different price. Now let's start the video. So that's all the box from the side, top, the back. Now let's get into the box itself with the unboxing scissor. Cut the plastic. Get the scissor again, cut the other side. This time we should make it. If not, use the scissors again to cut that plastic part, and now we're able to rip into the plastic and get into the unboxing. So lift the lid of the box. Can be a bit tricky sometimes. Just requires some strength to pull. That's the top of the box. Let's now move that to the side so we can see the Magic Mouse. And let's get to the star of the show, which is the Magic Mouse 2 itself. As you can see, we are no longer working with batteries. Here is a side-to-side comparison with the latest version and the old generation, which I purchased in about 2012, and this lasted me about 10 years, but now I've said I need to move on to a new device that requires charging with the lithium-ion battery. Charge this for about 2 minutes. You should last you 2 hours. 2 hours charging will give you a full month. And now let's get into the box. So the instruction manual, literature for you to read before you use if you are using this for the first time. If not, you already know how to use the mouse itself. That is USB Type-C to Lightning, and before this they did do USB to USB Type-C. Now they've changed to Lightning to Type-C just to kind of even everything all out. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.